The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a blizzard warning for Winnebago County, Boone County, McHenry County, Lake County, Ogle County, Lee County, DeKalb County, DuPage County, Nassau County, Kendall County, Grundy County, Kankakee County, Livingston County, Iroquois County, Ford County, Northern Cook, Central Cook, Southern Cook, Northern Will, Southern Will, Eastern Will areas or counties, until 1:20 a.m. tomorrow. What? Temperatures under minus 23 grades degree Fahrenheit. Source, radar indicated. Impacts, frostbite for those without adequate clothing or shelter.